Did you know the umbrella has more history than just keeping us dry? Originally invented over 4,000 years ago in ancient China, umbrellas were symbols of royalty, only used by aristocrats to shield themselves from the sun. It's not all about the rain, after all. Speaking of unexpected hiccups, those peculiar little jolts we experience are a perplexing remnant from our ancient fish ancestors. Yes, they once used similar reflexes to move water across their gills, and now we are left with these annoying yet hilarious interruptions. To think, the next time you hiccup, you're tapping into an ancient evolutionary quirk. Who knew such ordinary things as umbrellas and hiccups could have such extraordinary backgrounds?